Not a pretty catch, is it?
I'm surprised that Utah Lake is frozen as hard as it is on a day that was as mild as
Precisely what I was thinking. You know, that they would walk out on that ice and feel comfortable. Yeah. Pioneers eat the carp?
I think they introduced the carp.
Yeah, okay, not good.
They were not there at the beginning.
Well, we sent Chopper 5 up above the ice. This is Utah County looking up towards the mountains. What a gorgeous day it was today. Perfect for doing a little ice fishing. Downtown Salt Lake City, a bit of haze, but overall, not a bad day at all. As far as temperatures go, we were 4 degrees above normal. Thanks, Chopper 5, for taking those pictures. Oh, speaking of pictures, Stan Anderson looking at the Tusher Mountains, the Merchant Valley area. Thanks, Stan. Looking up east, the mountains have a lot of snow on them. In fact, in the Tushers, about 140% of normal. Keith Finlayson, a beautiful shot of the Salt Lake Valley this evening. Look at the contrast of blue skies and the lights on the city floor. What a wonderful shot from the east bench looking towards the west. 41 in Blanding today, still 17 inches of snow on the ground. Brigham City, where there is snow on the ground, and Escalante, where there's snow on the ground. Very cold start to the day. Afternoon highs 35 to 40. Now, Lake Town had 1 inch of snow today up in the Bear Lake Valley. Logan had a trace and a high of only 25. Look at Monticello, 1 this morning, 30 this afternoon. Still over 30 inches of snow on the ground in Monticello. Salt Lake City, there's your high of 44, 4 degrees above normal, and the contrast in temperatures from St. George, where it was 56, to Vernal, where it is 18, and currently it is 7. It is a cold night. Oh, we went down 4 degrees. It's now 4 degrees in Vernal. There's a storm system over Colorado, and it is bringing just a little bit of snow to the Four Corners area. Otherwise, skies have cleared mostly along the Wasatch Front. That northern split in the jet stream just barely brushing by northern Utah. And there's another storm out here, and the new computer charts say this one is also going to split as it moves into the west coast. Lots of moisture, tons of moisture, but not a lot of that will reach northern Utah. We're expecting once again for this to head south and probably hit southern Utah with a whole lot more vengeance than the north. Still a slight chance for a little bit of snow. Southern Idaho, western Wyoming, and the far northern part of Utah. Little, if any, accumulation. Should not have a problem for your morning commute. And it looks pretty good as well going into Thursday night and Friday morning. Here's the next storm. Watch as it splits when it moves into the ridge of high pressure. We'll still see a lot of clouds on Friday. In fact, a little bit of snow may fall up there along the Idaho-Utah border, but this split will strongly move towards southern Utah, and that's where we'll see most of the action over the weekend. Again, Vernal, cold tonight. Roosevelt, below 0. 33 in Moab, 29 Green River, as we have those individual locations with cold weather stuck in other places where there's plenty of sunshine and there's no cold air, no snow on the ground. Temperatures are quite a bit warmer. Kanab 47, St. George 55. Again, snow on the ground, Manti 5, 34 in the afternoon. Next 7 days. Couple of really good days, mid-50s, and then here's the rain coming in over the weekend. Periods of rain. It looks like this should be a 1/4 to 1/2 inch storm for St. George and vicinity. Mountain areas will see 6 to 12 inches over the weekend, maybe a little bit more in favored spots. 40 for the high tomorrow. That is smack dab on normal for this time of the year. We'll see a little peekaboo sunshine, and with enough air movement, we'll keep the haze at a minimum the next couple of days. And with that splitting storm coming in over the weekend, a chance for rain and snow showers beginning late Friday into Saturday and into Sunday morning, but it's still warm enough. We won't see much in the way of accumulation.
Yeah, that's mild. I mean, for dead of winter, right?
It's really good for Salt Lake City, but Park City, on the other hand, you'll see a little bit
different story. Thanks.
Thanks, Dan.